Here's the brutal truth. Over 40,000 Americans were flagged at European borders last year for violating the Schengen 90-180 rule, and most had no idea they'd broken it. So let me explain exactly how this works and how to stay legal in 2026. First, understand the rolling 180-day window. It is not a calendar reset on January 1st. Open the official Schengen calculator at ec.europa.eu right now and plug in every date you entered or exited. The EU counts backward 180 days from today, every single day. Second, if you're planning to stay longer than 90 days, you need a national D visa before you arrive, not after. Countries like Portugal, Spain, and France each have their own D visa portals. Portugal uses AIMA's website. Spain uses exteriores.gov.es. And France uses francevisas.gouv.fr. Apply at least 3 months before travel. Processing times in 2026 are running 6 to 10 weeks minimum. Third, carry printed proof of your D visa status at every border crossing, even inside Schengen. Border agents have full discretion. The critical mistake people make? Assuming a new D visa resets your Schengen count. It does not. Your previous stamp history is still visible and can trigger a ban of up to 5 years. Which country are you planning to use a D visa for? Drop it below. This is general information only. Always consult a qualified professional. Subscribe. We help expats in Europe navigate the system every single day.